Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and I'm really excited to bring you today this 2014 270 SLX. As we start at the aft of the boat, under that motor covers an 8.1 Merc Cruiser. Boat has about 179 hours on it, under 200 hours. Also, those cushions will flop across the back to make a sun deck, and also this area fills in with cushions so that you got a nice U-shaped seating area here as well. Over at the wet bar, we have the sink. Obviously, we also have an electric refrigerator. And then as we go towards the helm, you're going to see a fully appointed helm, including a very nice Garmin GPS unit. The seats will fold, the thigh will fold up so that you can stand behind the seat for driving. Or you can put it all the way down, turn the seat so that you got extra seating here in the cockpit area as well. This boat has a nice potty, as well as a little sink there in the head. The Rockford Fosgate stereo system with the remote over here on the dash. As we walk through the front, we can close the center windscreen as well as this door, so we're nice and protected if we're running offshore, or we can leave the tonneau cover on as well. Great storage area over here under the helm. And as we walk up to the bow, nice big bow seating area. 6'1", I can sit out here and very much enjoy the front of the boat. Table fore and aft, they both will store underneath the helm area here, so you got plenty of room for that. This boat's got the stainless steel cap on the windscreen, nice bimini top for shade, beautiful color. This boat won't last long. Give me a call here at MarineMax Fort Myers for a peek at this and or a little sea trial. Want to get you out on the water for the summer right here at MarineMax Fort Myers.